well, math. Hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Have a good night or morning, and let's get into the video. I'm just gonna get a drink. If you didn't know yet, I already got like 3 new packs. So yeah, you need to check that out. So I think I'm gonna bring this one out. I might pack that. No, I'll pour it into this. Done. Again, and let me start watching the movie. Just amazing. I think my water just broke. Oh my god. Oh my god. Doesn't that mean? Right, okay. You get in the car, I'll get your bag. I'm gonna bring my coffee. Can't you crawl? Yeah, I can. Okay, crawl. You can crawl upstairs, can't you? Yeah. Okay. Alright, okay. This is her bag. Oh my god, I can't carry your foot. Your foot. Okay. Yeah, I can hold. Right, so, you go over there. Put that down. You need your... Take a hat. No. Minky. And this hat. Yeah, I think a scarf as well. There. Get you in there. Where's your brother? I'm getting dressed. That's okay. Yeah, over there. And this. Yeah. Because if they have bows. Okay. I'll go downstairs now. This looks better. Okay. You put on your rain jacket. Good, I have to put on mine. Okay. Okay. Bottom. This stuff. Beanie. These shoes. Okay. I'm gonna pick out her some warm clothes. Okay. No, that's a skirt. She has a jacket downstairs. Do that. And this. Let's put that in. Because it doesn't look like she has warm clothes in there. Okay. Now, let's go. Take the baby with me as well. Okay, bring along the dog. Let's just run. Oh, you head over. Mine kit in there for her as a reward. No coffee with me, but that's okay. Okay. Jackets. I have my jacket. You can put on this one. Take an umbrella. And I'll put your coffee in the bag. God. Bonjour. Your boots. His name isn't Bonjour, just let you know. Your boot. You already have shoes on. Okay. Da. Can you hold? Guys, I can barely hold anything. I was gonna show you at the car. Alright. Car. And you go. Say. Oh, fudge. the umbrella on top. Me. Get the kids in. Okay, now me. Oh. Okay, let's go. Don't worry guys, we're nearly here. Don't mind, it's on the exact same street. Alright, I'm gonna go get the kids. Your umbrella. This way. Duh, I don't need an umbrella. Okay. You can carry this guy, this girl. God, we're rushing. I'll take this. Okay, now you have to go into the hospital. But sorry that I forgot about the dog. Okay, I'll just head inside. Ticket number 4. God, we kind of need no checkup now. Okay, come on. I would just like pregnant then. Yeah, go in the elevator, please. Thanks. In here, boys. Okay. Oh. Okay, there you go. It's the kids out here, and I'll stay out with them. Okay, sorry. You can take a seat. Thanks. Okay, let's go. My baby, yeah. Oh, sorry. Hi, this is for you. Put your bag down there. And we will start doing the stuff. So, you can get dressed. Thank you. Okay. Just put that in. Just stay there and you can go to bed, whatever you want. So now while we do something else. Okay? Okay. I'm sorry, can you just move down to the last one? Yeah. Hello, I'll be your doctor. Hi. So we're gonna do some exercises. So you just get your hands and you move them back and forward over the bump. Okay? Okay. That's hard. I should do this one. And then after you can pop into here. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. We're just gonna check on the baby. Why can't this work? Okay. Okay. Yeah. You definitely have a baby in there. Okay. Okay, you can move to the bathtub. Thank you. Oh, this is so sore. I don't know how to turn this off, guys. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, it's a boy. Thank you. I'm so handsome. Can you hold my family in? Yeah. Hi. Sorry, I'm trying. Oh my god, he looks so handsome. Yeah, he does. Fudge, that was my real life bone crack. Okay. I think I'm gonna get changed. Okay. Do not take the dog. I'll be right back. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do some bit makeup. Yep, that looks nice. Thin spray. And my eyelash curler. My other eye. Why can't I use my other hand? Okay. My stomach. Okay, I'm gonna text my. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do about all these bags. Bye guys, hopefully you enjoy this video and I'll see you in the next one. Any name recommendations for a boy, put it down in the comments. Bye. Oh, foot. Bye.